This could be the car for you. The 2018 Ford F-150. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a hard-working Ford F-150, the light-duty, full-size pickup that leverages high-strength steel and military-grade aluminum alloy to bring you class-leading payload and towing capabilities. Easier than ever to use, this truck is designed to maximize productivity on the road, trail, or job site. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: touchscreen infotainment system, navigation system, heated driver's seat, remote engine start, bed liner, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, Bluetooth connection. Feel the satisfaction that comes from reaching a higher level of productivity in this F-150. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.